Story now you asked us to investigate. A concerned viewer sent us this picture. We'll give you a close look at it. And it shows what appears to be a crack in the flyover on I-15 near Spring Mountain. We reached out to NDOT. They tell us that's not a crack. It's an expansion joint that lets the concrete expand and shrink for changes in temperature and protects the bridge during earthquakes. We looked into this story after a viewer posted it on Facebook. If you have something you want us to check out, send an email to 13investigates@ktnv.com or put it on our Facebook page like she did. And please be sure to include your name and phone number.